your intro.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we are gonna be playing Tiny Bird.
Are you ever gonna show your
Wait, why the Tiny Wings?
Wait, am I the purple one?
Yes.
How come I'm not going to
Hold it down. Sorry if it's flickering. My tablet always
Let's
does
just go
that.
plug it in. Comment down below.
Well, if you want us to do a part 2, and also comment down below who you think will win. Little Butchie.
Are you guys gonna use the TV? Or
Yeah.
videos? You have to use one Paxton.
Okay, you can use it, and then when we want it, we'll get it back. No, I'm gonna. Okay, fine.
Either do that or let me use the
We're
TV.
doing this. Come on.
We're gonna use the TV, Abby.
You can't do both because you're just recording stupid videos.
Yeah, but when we're done, we're gonna record a video of me using that.
Daddy, Paxton's sitting there recording a video and just let the TV sit there waiting.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is his sister. I'm
After
playing
I'm gonna record.
Flappy Bird because I really have nothing else to do. Leave a like if you want me and my brother to do 2-player, and comment down below who you think will win. Hey, my brother's right there. No, don't stop the video. It's interesting with me.
Turn this thing off. Wow, okay.
Yeah, stupid.
Is the video even going?
Yeah, it's going
still
viral.
going. Don't plug in.
2-player.
Where do I plug it in? I don't know where to plug it in.
Right there.
The charger
On the
isn't
top.
big enough. Okay, multiplayer. Hey, so now I'm playing with my brother. How are you going so fast? Look, I'm holding it down. I'm still going really slow.
No, you don't hold it down. Once you look what I'm doing. Once you get close to the mountain, you just hold it down. You don't hold it down the whole time, Addison.
Then tell when to hold it down.
Now. And then you let go. Look. Let go. Hold it down. Let go. Hold it down. Let go. Hold it
Let
down.
go.
Let go. Hold it down.
You
Let
let go at the top of the mountain.
No, let it go once you're going down the little... Hold it down once you're going down the mountain thing. The hill.
Sorry, guys.
And then let it go after.
Sorry, I'm so bad at this game. I just don't play now. It's like my second time.
Comment down below if you want us to play a different game.
We're doing part 2.
Yeah.
Charles is like, is Jacob? Subscribe, Jacob Ploopy Blue, or whatever his name is.
Yeah, I'm first.
I'm just like far away.
Okay, let's just play.
No, you can't just keep changing the games.
What game do you want to
Hey.
play? That's 2-player.
Sausage from the back. We will play Minecraft. Play Minecraft. Reset the video.
We'll show both